Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, like the title of my video suggests, my Mother's Day skincare gift haul. So, I know I look a bit different today. I've got my makeup on. This is actually my, what I call my base makeup. But let's get into it. So, Mother's Day this year, we all celebrated Mother's Day about 2 weeks ago. But for me, there are 3 times in the year where I get to try out some new skincare or slightly more expensive skincare, but again still quality skincare, targeted skincare. Mother's Day, my birthday, and Christmas. So Mother's Day, my birthday, and Christmas, that's when I ask my family, number one, my husband, and then my children, what I like. So let's go. Start with my lovely hubby. I discovered a new online skincare company called Adore Beauty. They are in Australia, and they stock quite a good range of quality skincare, all the way from your sort of lower middle to slightly more expensive. I call them expensive, but not overly expensive. And the ones that I really want to try out is this one called Societe. Hope I pronounce it right. It's French. Societe. In English, of course, it's society, but Societe. Made in France. Adore Beauty. These are my Mother's Day present from my husband. Let's unbox. First one by Societe, the Rejuvenating Peptide Gel Mask. It's got peptides in it. It's supposed to give you the inner glow. Most masks will give you that temporary or instantaneous shine and glow, but then it'll disappear, you know, after a few hours or the next day. But this is supposed to do that. But I will do a review on this. The other product is retinol, vitamin C and lactic acid. This is an evening product for putting on at night, so high reviews. Right, now let's get on to the 2 products that my sons got for me for Mother's Day. There are 2 products from Sephora that I have been wanting to try for a while. I got some samples. I tried them and I thought they were quite good. So from Sephora, Dr.Jart mask. I've read quite a lot about the Dr.Jart brand. It has pretty decent reviews, and of course some products stand out compared to others, and their masks really stand out. And I was given a very small sachet of their ceramidin, and I thought, not bad. So the ceramidin mask by Dr.Jart. And the other product that I really want to try is a brand called Fresh. I was again given a sample of the Fresh exfoliating face wash. It has got strawberry seeds in them, and this brand just prides itself on using very natural products, and I actually plan to use this actually as a cleanser, but we'll see. So there you are, my Mother's Day skincare gift haul. I definitely will be doing a review on those products. So thank you so much for watching today. Again, ladies, if you want to try new skincare, if there's a particular skincare that's slightly more expensive, yeah, just wait till your birthday, Christmas, or Mother's Day. It's a great opportunity to try new products and try some higher end products. Good quality skincare as usual from Jenny. Okay, thank you for watching today. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please subscribe, and if you like my video, click the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.